Sometimes all you need is a short drive, a little sunshine, and a good company. This weekend, we packed up and headed to a spot I've actually been to before and love. It's the Grand Bungalow in Padre Garcia, Batangas. It's my second time here and para sa akin, worth it talaga siyang balikan. The space is wide, open, tahimik, and you instantly feel you're far away from all the stress. May pool, huge lawn, and napaka-aliwalas. Inside, may 4 spacious bedrooms. 1 master's bedroom with its own bathroom, 2 couple rooms na cozy and comfortable, and 1 barkada or family room where everyone can crash, tawa lang ng tawa until the lights are out. Ang ganda dito kasi kahit madami kayo, hindi siksikan. Sakto sa bonding pero may privacy pa rin. Literal na pwede kayong tumambay sa kahit saang corner, lahat comfortable. One thing I love about this place, may fully equipped kitchen at may grill station outside. So instead of ordering out or buying ready-made food, we brought our own ingredients at nagluto kami lahat. Actually became part of the experience. Yung sama-sama mag-prepare, mag-ihaw, mag-chop habang may nagbabantay sa ulam. Alam niyo yung food na hindi lang masarap pero masaya rin yung memories habang niluluto? That's exactly what this feels like. And syempre before mag-swimming, skincare muna. I brought my kawaii lotion with me kasi kahit na maaraw, I still want my skin protected and hydrated. Glow pa rin kahit pawis na, kahit nasa resort lang. Pool was clean, malamig, and just the right size. Whether you're in the water or just lounging with music playing in the background, it's all chill. Pero actually, pinaka na-enjoy ko dito yung trampoline. Basketball, may billiard table, and meron din silang game room. After dinner, ito talaga yung pinaka na-enjoy namin kasi sama-sama kaming nagkikwentuhan at syempre may konting drinks na din. Tapos, ang sarap pa mag-swimming kahit gabi na. Ang saya din mag-billiards dito kasi syempre only games. This is what I love about the Grand Bungalow. It's not loud, it's not crowded, it just lets you breathe. Honestly, bitin yung overnight stay, but it was more than enough to remind me why I needed this break. This don't need to be fancy, just somewhere you can feel at home with people who feel like home too. Again, this is the Grand Bungalow. It's my second time here and definitely not the last. If you need a reset, a breather, or just a little joy, this is where you go.